A small trial for colorectal cancer reveals an unexpected result for every patient. The cancer was gone. Dr. Kumar joins us to talk more about this. Good morning, Dr. Kumar. How are you today?
I'm doing well, Amanda. It's good to see you.
I saw some of this on social media yesterday and across the wires. Everybody is talking about it. It is quite remarkable.
It's a very interesting study, but we should be cautious about being too optimistic too soon. It's a very small study, only 12 patients, and it really affects a minority of the people that have rectal cancer. So what this study did was look at a specific kind of rectal cancer, those patients that had a certain mutation called mismatch repair deficiency. And that really only encompasses 5 to 10% of all the rectal cancers that we do see. So it's a vast minority of patients. But what happens when you have this kind of cancer is that the genes can't repair themselves, and that's how the cancer forms. But also it elicits all this immune response. But the cancer is able to evade our immune system. Our immune system is responsible for killing cancers as well as killing infection. But it can evade the immune response. So what this drug is, dostarlimab at Memorial Sloan Kettering, they administered it to immune therapy, and what they call it is a checkpoint inhibitor. So the way that the cancer can evade the immune system is taken away. Now that ability to evade the immune system is gone, then the immune system can attack the cancer. And what they found in 12 out of 12 people, small study over 2 years, that those patients did not need any other treatment. Typically, these rectal cancers get chemotherapy, radiation therapy, and then surgical resection in order to offer a cure. And in 2 years, 12 out of 12, cancer's gone without any other therapy. So that's really interesting.
Yeah, the study was done at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center as well as Yale University, and it was sponsored by the pharmaceutical company GlaxoSmithKline. So that's important to note. Lest it give us false hope, what should we take from it? That there are the techniques that maybe can give us a positive result for a broader cancer?
Yeah, I think that the news is great. You know, we have yet another tool in our armamentarium to fight cancer. That should be the take-home point. I think it's way too early to be, to drive this home that all you need is immune therapy and you're going to be fixed. Because in the editorial, they make a great comment that 2-year remission is an imperfect surrogate for long-term cancer cure. And so this is just a step along the road. This is a pivotal development because we haven't had immune therapy that has worked this well. We've had immune therapy in rectal cancers before, but not this well. And so we should be cautiously optimistic, but we shouldn't presume that now we have a cure for colon cancer. That's just not the take-home message here. But because it's so pivotally exciting that 100% of people, and in medicine, we've always learned from med school, never believe anything that's 100% or 0%. All or nothing is never true. But it is exciting news, and the take-home point is that for those subset of patients with this kind of cancer, there's hope that there is better treatment coming along. The hope for the rest of us is that this novel angle of treatment will offer us another way to fight cancer, perhaps with less toxicity and better results.
Yeah, it is a building block and yet another opening to what could be more research. Dr. Kumar, thank you. It's always great talking to you. This incredible story right here. If you have any questions for Dr. Kumar, email us at askdrkumar@gmail.com. And of course, make sure you check out his website, drkumar.com.